How can a brand new electric car from BYD cost just $11,000, while the cheapest car from Tesla is nearly 4 times that price? Is Tesla just overpriced? Or is BYD hiding a secret that lets them dominate the market? The answer is more fascinating than you think. This isn't about quality. It's a story of two completely different master plans to take over the world of electric cars.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. So what is the real story behind the massive price gap between BYD and Tesla? It's not just one thing. It's a masterclass in manufacturing, strategy, and technology. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 key reasons why BYD can build and sell their cars for so much less than Tesla. Let's get into it. First up, and this is the biggest reason of all, is a strategy called vertical integration. Think of it this way. If you want to build a house, you could go to the hardware store and buy all the windows, doors, pipes, and wires from other companies. That's what most car companies do. But BYD, they essentially decided to own the entire hardware store. BYD started as a battery company, and today they make almost every single part of their cars themselves. We're talking the batteries, the electric motors, the computer chips, the dashboards, the seats, everything. By being their own supplier, they don't have to pay the extra profit margin that other companies would charge. They control every single cost from raw material to finished product, giving them an unbelievable price advantage.
Reason number 2 is BYD's secret weapon, their battery technology. BYD is the pioneer of something called the LFP, or Blade Battery. Now, without getting too technical, the most important thing to know is that these LFP batteries don't use expensive and controversial metals like cobalt. This makes them significantly cheaper to produce than the nickel-based batteries that Tesla has traditionally used in its long-range cars. That tells you everything you need to know about who has the advantage on battery costs.
Reason 3 is simple. Their target audience is completely different. Tesla positions itself as a premium, high-tech brand, just like Apple. They started with expensive, high-performance cars and are slowly trying to make them more affordable. Their focus is on cutting-edge software and a luxury experience. BYD, on the other hand, wants to be the Toyota or Volkswagen of the EV world. Their goal is to capture the mass market. They have a massive lineup of cars, from the incredibly cheap BYD Seagull all the way up to premium sedans, ensuring there's a BYD for literally every budget.
Reason number 4 is all about geography. The vast majority of BYD's manufacturing happens in China, which has a massive, highly developed supply chain for electric vehicle parts and generally lower labor costs compared to the US or Germany, where Tesla's main factories are. This home field advantage allows BYD to build its cars more efficiently and for less money.
And finally, reason number 5, a massive head start. For more than a decade, the Chinese government poured huge amounts of money and support into its EV industry to help it grow. This gave companies like BYD an incredible boost, allowing them to scale up production and perfect their technology long before they became the global powerhouse they are today. So when you put it all together, the extreme vertical integration, the cheaper battery tech, the focus on the mass market, the lower manufacturing costs, and the government-backed head start, you get a recipe for an affordable electric car. It's not that one strategy is better than the other. Tesla is a tech company selling high-performance, high-profit cars. BYD is a manufacturing giant built from the ground up to control costs and produce affordable electric vehicles for the entire world. So what do you think of BYD's strategy? Is it the future of the auto industry? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.